For families coming to the Wildwoods this off-season to walk the boardwalk may be in for a bit of a surprise. Because portions of the Wildwood Boardwalk are missing, but don't worry, it's coming back. This is phase one of a 5-year, $25 million project, which will see the entire Wildwood Boardwalk renovated. An inspection back in 2019 showed that some of the concrete supports were starting to fall apart. Wildwood's Mayor Pete Byron met with New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy in 2020 to view portions of the boardwalk after a storm blew pieces away. This led to an effort by the city and the state to find a permanent fix for the almost 100-year-old boardwalk. Originally, the state rejected a $56 million proposed project to build a brand new boardwalk, but then later agreed to a $4 million grant to get the project going. In the years to come, the city will have to apply for grants to avoid using taxpayer money. Phase one of the project will see the renovation of Oak Avenue to Maple Avenue. The renovation works by having contractors build temporary supports under the concrete walkway before cutting them down and lifting them away. They then create a new concrete support where the tramcar drives before covering the entire boardwalk in wood. Phases 2 through 5 will see other sections of the boardwalk repaired. This would be between Maple and 26th Street and Skellinger and Cressy Avenue. The Wildwood Boardwalk was first built in 1911 as smaller raised walkways, and over time they were connected to the size it is today. Some of the concrete work you see below are some of the original concrete structures from the 1940s. The new walkway will lose the concrete pathway for the tramcar, citing that the bike tires would get stuck. Instead, they will look more like the existing boardwalk in front of Maury's Mariners Pier. For those looking to make summer plans, know that this new section of the boardwalk will be ready by summer 2022. I'm Joey from the Wildwood Boardwalk. I'll see you on the beach.